front of me is Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Then click on Lock Screen Passwords and tap on one of those login methods: pattern, numeric password or alphanumeric password. Then you need to create it and repeat it to confirm it. When you finished, hit confirm. Now decide what you do with lock screen notifications by tapping on one of those options and tap on done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!